Understanding the phrase, air the truth. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, air the truth. This phrase can be quite useful in various contexts, and understanding it can really enrich your English vocabulary. So, let's dive in and discover what it means to air the truth. The phrase, air the truth, refers to the act of revealing or discussing truths that were previously hidden or unacknowledged. Think of it as bringing something out into the open air, where everyone can see and acknowledge it. This phrase is often used in situations where someone is revealing secrets or bringing light to facts that were, for some reason, concealed. Now, let's look at some examples of how this phrase can be used in everyday conversation. 1. In a personal context, after years of misunderstandings, I decided it was time to air the truth about my feelings. 2. In a professional setting, the manager had to air the truth about the company's financial situation during the meeting. 3. In public discussions, the journalist aimed to air the truth about the political scandal. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, used in personal, professional, and public contexts. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can deepen your grasp of air the truth. Here are a few. Disclose the facts. Reveal the reality. Unveil the truth. Come clean. Each of these has a similar connotation but can be used in slightly different contexts. And that's all for today's lesson on the phrase, air the truth. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Remember, learning such phrases not only enhances your English vocabulary but also helps you understand the nuances of the language. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.